Okay, this is a go. We are live. What is going on, guys? The only reason why I said this is a go is because it's been like the second or third attempt, and I've had this problem with other videos that all of a sudden the camera just dies. So hopefully this doesn't die on me, and I can share with you some ways to actually make money with photography online. And this is going to be a little bit different because when it comes to photography, yes, you can post pictures out there. You can use Instagram and social media. I could give you a bunch of tips here, but I want to share with you principles of building a sustainable, consistent income, because if you don't get this, it doesn't matter what you're promoting, if it's photographs, if it's, luxury items like handbags or hats, okay, or suits and jackets. You will not make money if you don't know this. And it wasn't until I learned this from people who are making consistent incomes on the internet of $500 a month, $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month that I really had a breakthrough, okay? And it took me from working 40 hours a week in a restaurant to creating a full-time income business online. So this does work. It can work for you. That said, though, what's a good way to make money as a photographer online? First and foremost, as a photographer, what you can do is essentially blog. Now, when I say blog, what do I mean? You can put your own photographs on your own website. You want to have a website that's essential where people can get to know you, what you're all about, who you are. You need to have something like that, all right? A website, ideally, because you can control your own website. So that's where you can post. People get to know you. It's your relationship building factory, all right? Just like if you had a traditional business, that's your storefront, okay? That's what you own. That's what you operate. So you need to have a website. From there on out, when I say blogging, what you can do is you can post your photography or other people's photography on your blog and just write a little brief description of what it is, what it's about. You want to make sure that it's tapping into a niche. And then what you can do is you can have banner ads on your blog. I want you to think outside the box here. All right, because to make money on the internet, you have to offer a product and service to the marketplace. You can't just, have a photography, a picture, all right, out there, unless it's by, a painting and an artist that's famous, okay, and it's something people want to buy. You can't just have a picture there and hope to make money. You need to get people to buy a product and service. Now, a product and service could be advertising on your blog. It could be selling another product and service on your blog, okay? And in this example, I'm going to use products and services because it's a lot faster to make money with a product and service than it is advertising on a blog, okay? Because you don't need as much traffic and visitors to a blog. If you're doing advertising, you need lots of people to actually make money, all right, from your blogging photography. So when it comes to this, what you can do is you can post your picture on your site. You can write a brief description. In that description, what you can do is you can put an author bio description, so it's just like a PS or a little bit about yourself, a little bit about the post. In addition to this post, PS, if you'd like to learn more information about how to make money on the internet, click here to find out more about how I'm blogging and making money, or how I'm making money with photography blogging. All right, and then when someone clicks there, they can find out more information about you. And the cool part about that is, if they click it and it's a product and service that educates them on how to do that and solve their problem, if they're interested, they'll click it, okay? Then you can get a potential customer and you can make potential money without having to bug them, without having to chase them, just by you posting your content as a photographer. I hope that makes sense, and it's really cool. And you can apply this in different aspects, in different fashions, but I just want to give you this brief example and keep it short. And I wanted to keep this non-confusing, all right, non-technical. So if you guys have any questions on this, comment below. But if you'd like to learn more information about building an income in a business on the internet, leveraging attraction marketing, not just having a site, but learning to attract people to the site, learning to drive traffic, the same principles that have allowed me to generate up to 30 leads a day and get a sale to 2 sales per day in my primary business, then connect with me on my site. If you're open-minded, you're coachable, it's 123marketingtips.com. The link will be down below, and I will see you guys on the beach of the world. Take care.